it's my turn to microwave the stuff I need. First I need to do is read the directions. Got it. Next is pick a microwave. This one, right here. Then put my food inside the microwave. Oh no, I dropped my trash. I need to throw it away in the Trojan trash can. Oh, smell that ham and cheese. Now that my food's done, don't wait around here, don't sit down on anything. Please leave the microwave room so other people can microwave their food.
When you make a mess in the kitchen, such as this water on the counter, make sure to get one of the paper towels and clean it up. It's important that we keep our kitchens clean. Also, don't forget to throw away your trash after you're done with it. When your hands get dirty, make sure you wash them. After you wash your hands, make sure you dry them without making too much of a mess on the counters. We want to keep the kitchen as clean as possible. Also, make sure you throw your trash away.